In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the debit card PIN for your Bank of America account in 2025. We're going to go through each step, beginning with using the Bank of America mobile banking app. So grab your smartphone and let's get started on this simple process. First things first, ensure that you have the Bank of America mobile banking app downloaded on your device. If not, you'll need to head over to your app store and download it. Once you have the app ready to go, open it up and sign in to your account. You should see a login screen where you'll enter your user ID and password. If you're having trouble remembering your login details, use the Forgot ID password option to retrieve them. Once you're logged in, take a look at the home screen. You will want to tap on the menu, which is typically represented by 3 horizontal lines on the top or bottom left of your screen, depending on your device. From the menu, navigate to the Manage Debit Credit Card section. This option gives you control over various features and settings related to your debit card. Within Manage Debit Credit Card, select your particular debit card. Your card details should be listed on this menu, and you'll want to look for options like Change PIN or simply card details that include the Change PIN feature. This is your ticket to setting up your PIN. The app will then guide you through a series of verification prompts. These prompts might require you to enter a one-time code, which is likely sent to your registered phone number or email address. Alternatively, if your device has biometric capabilities, such as fingerprint or facial recognition, you may use these features to breeze through verification. Don't worry if the verification looks a little different on your app. It can vary slightly depending on your device's make and model or the app version you're using. Once through the verification, you'll see the option to set your new PIN. Ensure you choose a number that's easy for you to remember, but hard for others to guess. Remember, the more unique your PIN, the higher the level of security. If you don't spot the change PIN option within the app, don't worry too much. You can simply find an ATM locally or visit a Bank of America branch where the staff can assist you in changing your PIN safely, and that's all there is to it. By following these steps through the mobile app, you can efficiently manage your card's security. Thanks for joining me in today's tutorial, and don't hesitate to ask any questions down in the comments. Stay secured and keep banking easy.